In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade gold in Exness mobile app. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the very bottom left and tap on accounts. And from here, you have to select the account you want to trade gold with. So, for example, here I have this demo account. You can tap on this arrow, which is at the top right of your account box. And then from here, select whichever account you want. But I'm just going to go with this one right now. Then you want to tap on the trade button at the very bottom of your screen. And from here, we must now find the gold. Now, the easiest way to do that is to just go to the search box top right and type in gold. And as you can see, there we go, a bunch of different things will pop up, and of course you can select whichever one you want to trade. I'm just going to show you how to do this. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just trying to basically show you how to perform trades. So here I'm going to go with XAU for this tutorial, which is basically gold to USD. And as you can see here, you can see the chart. You can do some technical analysis if you want to, kind of see the prices, stuff like that. And then when you're ready to start trading, at the bottom, there's the buy and sell button. So if you tap on the buy button, as you can see, it's going to pop up this kind of a new box. And if you tap on that settings at the top or at the right, just where it says regular, there's like settings, or just swipe up this menu, it's going to give you more options as well. Now in here, you can of course trade gold by either selecting a market, limit, or stop order. So of course, I'm going to show you how to do this. If you do market, this will basically buy or sell gold at the current price. Of course, you can see the price up top as well as the bottom right, where you can see the confirm buy button. Then if you do a limit order, you can select a limit. So this is basically a limit order is you can select to actually buy at a specific price, and the order is going to go through when the price of your asset, so in this case gold, reaches that specific price. And then you also have a stop order if you want to use that as well. Now over here, we're just going to do a market order. You have to select the volume. I'm just going to do 0.05 right now. And then you can select take profits and stop losses if you want to, either in price, USD, in percentages, or pips. So it's completely up to you if you want to use that. I'm actually not going to do that right now. And then you just have to tap on confirm buy at the bottom right, and it's going to basically buy for you. And if you tap on the sell button at the bottom left, as you can see, it's going to basically show you the exact same menu, for the exception that you're now selling and not buying. Okay, of course you can tap on sell whenever you're ready, and there we go, your order is going to get opened. Now to see your open orders, go one page back, tap on accounts bottom left, and here you'll be able to see, there we go, under open at the bottom, you can see I have 2 XAU USD. If I tap on that here, I can basically see my P&Ls, I can see how I'm doing here and stuff like that. So I can just, for example, tap on one of these positions, and it's going to allow me to additionally take profit or stop loss. So you can add that after you've actually submitted your order as well. And then if you want to close your order, you can do that as well at the bottom right. And that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.